Hello and good morning, children. In the previous class, we have done singular plural and exercise of naming words. And in today's class, we will be writing lesson number 2, question answers. Be ready with your English classworks. Open your English classwork and write the date here. Today's date is 17-8-20. Our heading will be lesson number 2, Q and A. That is question and answer. First question is HOW, how, MANY, many, SWEETS, sweets, ARER, THERE, there, INNTHE, the, BOX, box. How many sweets are there in the box? You have to put a question mark. Then write capital letter A in margin line. And answer is, how many sweets were there, children? Did you remember? We will write the answer and see how many sweets. THERE, there, ARER, TWO, two sweets, 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 INNTHE, the, BOX, box. Put a full stop. There are 2 sweets in the box. We are writing the second question. Yes? HOW, how, MANY, many, MONKEYS, monkeys, DOES, does, RAJA, Raja, SEEC. Answer. How many monkeys does Raja see, children? We will write the answer as capital letter. Always start the answer with the capital letter. Raja sees 1 monkey. Full stop. Then third question will be HOW, how, MANY, many, BIRDS, birds, ARER, THERE, there, on, THE, the, TREE, tree. Put the question mark. Answer will be, how many birds were there on the tree, children? There are THERE, there, ARER, THREE, 3, BIRDS, birds, on, THE, the, TREE, tree. Put the full stop. Now turn to the next page and write fourth one. Fourth question is capital letter WHYY, DO, do, THE, the, BIRDS, birds, FLY, fly, AWAY, away. Why do the birds fly away, children? Why the birds flew? Because Anita clapped loudly, so the birds fly away. Yes? So we will be writing the answer. Capital letter ANITA, Anita, CLAPS, claps, LOUDLY, loudly, claps loudly. So THE, the, BIRDS, birds, fly away. Understood, children? Yes.
Yes, children, in today's class we will be also doing the activity of naming words. Here we already have studied naming words are nothing but nouns, okay? Naming words are nouns, names of persons. First we will write today's date. Today is 4th August 2021. Here we have to look at the picture and tick the correct noun. Who is this? Yes, children, we will see the options. Soldier, nurse or a doctor. When we see a person with their uniform, we can identify that who is it, right? So in this picture, he is a soldier, isn't it, children? So we have to tick the correct one. Yes? Yes, the second picture is, who is this? We can see and tell. Teacher? No. Pilot or grandfather? The uniform itself says that he is a pilot. So we will take it to the pilot. In this picture, who are these? School? No. Boys or police? These are boys. So we will take it to the boys picture. Next we have, in the next picture, children, we have grandfather, pilot or a child. Yes, who is he? He is holding a stick in his hand and he is a little bit old. So he is a grandfather. In the next picture, student, police or a lawyer. This is the uniform of a police. So we will take it to police. Next picture, father, student or king. He is learning something from the board. So he is a student. In this way you will be identifying the nouns that who is this. These are all the names of persons. This is a soldier, pilot, boys, grandfather, police and a student. In this way you are going to complete your activity, children, and also our lesson 1 is completed. So we will be writing here as lesson number 2 completed. Okay? We will be writing as lesson number 2 completed. See you in the next class, children. Bye bye.